In order to roll the pasta, once the dough has been rested, we want to arrange our pasta machine. Gently flour the machine and the surface top. Flatten up the dough of pasta so that it passes through the machine for the first time. I generally like to pass my pasta for about 2 or 3 times before I actually start to stretch it out. The first couple of ones is just to get a natural length so that I can fold the pasta in order to stretch it. To check for the consistency or thickness of the pasta, you should hold the pasta in front of a light so that you can see your fingers through. Once you have the right consistency or thickness, you sheet it out at least once and then place it on the tabletop. Using a scale, you want to cut the pasta into even-sized sheets and then roll them up to cut them in the required size thickness. Once the pasta has been cut into strips, they need to be opened up, loosened up, and placed on a tray waiting to be cooked. In order to cook the pasta, we need to bring a pot of water up to a boil and generously season it with salt till you can actually taste the salt in the water. Place the fresh pasta into the boiling water for about a minute to a minute and a half. Once the pasta begins to surface, cook it to an al dente state and then take it off the pot onto a clean tray and reserve till ready to use.